This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Will Beeler. Have you been searching for a peaceful, serene property where you can bring your horses/livestock and live out your small farm fantasy? This 6.51 acre property is already set up with a fenced pasture along with a large, rolling open field that could also be enclosed or used as other building sites. ATV trail and 2 driveways ensure access to the entire property and plenty of parking for your guests and toys. The home is bright and spacious with almost 1,800 square feet. The main level features 3 bedrooms, great room, and kitchen, while you will find a 4th bedroom, rec room, and 2-car garage on the lower level. The home has recently been refreshed with some new paint, updated kitchen, new toilets, and a newer HVAC system. See, for yourself, the simpler life you can create while still in Knox County. For more information, review the details below or contact Will Beeler at 865-584-4000.